it's open. Come on in.
1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup salt.
Hey, neighbor. It's freezing outside.
Oh, come over here.
Isn't this an air purifier? I need a heater.
Give it a second. Thanks for coming to help me with this cake, Carol. I can use all the help I can get since George decided to disappear this morning.
Oh, yeah, sure. You got a new TV? Huge! Look at that detail.
It's a brand new LG OLED TV.
I didn't even know they made OLEDs in that size.
Hey, LG, continue watching on the kitchen TV.
What? How did the recipe get from over there to over here? I didn't even see you touch your TV.
I just transferred it over using the room-to-room share feature. Perks of having all these smart TV screens at home.
This would work perfectly as my bedside entertainment. I won't even have to fight my husband for the remote control anymore.
Carol, would you turn the TV so I can see the recipe? Oh, and hand me my phone. I'm gonna make us this lasagna lunch kit.
What do you need your phone for that for?
Well, I just need to scan the barcode on the package. It'll show you the recommended cooking temperature. Oh, and check this out. The cooking time even appears on the LG ThinQ app. All I do, I just press send. The oven turns on, and... Carol?
George! George, are you back? We need you, man!
Who is this, huh?
You're not George. Ellie, is that you?
Hello, this is Carol. Can you hear me?
I can hear you crystal clear.
Hey, Carol, would you help me move the wet laundry to the dryer?
In a minute. All right, boys, I'll be right back. I gotta go. How do you have so many settings? Is mine outdated? I thought we got the same model.
Oh, just upgrade them. Yours can have all these features too. All you have to do is download them to your device. That's how I got more settings and customized washes.
No way.
Yeah, so if you could just move the laundry to the dryer.
Is that the lasagna? I'm starving. How many of these do you want on there?
I don't know, let's say like...
Why do you have plants growing in your fridge?
Oh, George bought me that. It was his way of telling me to stop killing all the plants in the house.
Fresh herbs all year round?
Oh, actually, while you're over there, will you grab some fresh mint?
Hey, babe. Oh, and Carol.
George, where have you been? We had to shop for an LG soundbar Eclair. My parents are gonna love it. Thank you.
Of course, they deserve the best.
Hey, what about me? I helped a lot too.
That's true. Carol's been such a darling. Carol, what would we do without you?
Right?
Sorry I left you here alone with Carol.
It's fine.
From thoughtfully designed appliances to the coolest entertainment devices, at LG, we tailor fit everything to serve your unique tastes and needs. You'll see how LG does this, but before that, let's meet Gail Conroy, Senior Director of Home Appliance Consumer Marketing, and Jeannie Kim, Director of Home Entertainment Marketing.
Did you see the look on Carol's face? That's the kind of wow we want to bring each and every one of our customers with products designed to elevate everything we do at home. Work, play, or just plain relax. Our 2022 lineup of LG OLED TVs consists of the most expansive range of screen sizes and the brightest and finest picture quality ever. At LG, we want to take your television experience beyond TV. Enjoy your favorite shows and concerts with the Live Now app. Share the experience with the Watch Together feature, watching and chatting live with your family and friends. Why not get up and move to the beat with 1 Million Dance Studios online live dance classes? More gamer? LG TVs with GeForce Now will give you a powerful cloud gaming platform with no additional hardware required, besides your go-to controller. But the LG TV experience goes beyond entertainment. With LG's first fitness platform, LG Fitness, you can access a range of fitness videos, AI coaching, and personal training data management. Better yet, mix it up with the popular interactive fitness platform Peloton for all your fitness needs. In collaboration with Independa, your LG TV can now provide telehealth care services, from medication alerts to virtual consultations with medical professionals, for a truly immersive and worry-free experience. Our effort to reinvent the role of TV in our lives continue, even when the screen's off. With the new optional Always Ready feature, your LG TV can remain ready for your voice commands through ThinQ AI.
Even better, when your appliances know just what you need done, when and how, whether it's convenience, hygiene, health, or more, here at LG, we have something for everyone. We work hard to make sure our products can meet your every personal customized need, because our mission is to deliver to you the most effortless and convenient lifestyle possible.
This next device features thoughtful innovation and seasonal modes to suit the requirements of any living space, anytime. A multifunctional air purifier, fan, and heater, the PuraCare Aero Tower captures 99.97% of fine dust down to 0.3 microns with 360-degree HEPA filter. Working alongside that, LG's own UV nanotechnology captures airborne bacteria, providing an added layer of protection for you and your loved ones. Enjoy clean, fresh air, guaranteed. It even cools you when you're hot and purifies your home's air all year round. It's just a better life companion that you and your family deserve. Keeping things dirt-free and hygienic is a priority in every home. Your favorite AI Direct Drive, or AIDD, levels up your style by leveling up the life of your clothes. Just upgrade your device via the ThinQ app and enjoy a lifestyle that is customized to your needs. Let's hear more about this from Gail.
And now, let's meet a new concept from appliances from LG. It's a familiar story. Appliances faithfully perform their tasks until they need replacing, or a lifestyle necessitates change. Wouldn't it be great if they could evolve with your changing needs? Thanks to LG's artificial intelligence technology, now they can. LG is delivering home appliances that learn and receive regular updates, just like a smartphone, to deliver new features that perfectly fit the way you live. Our appliances learn from users' behavior, analyzing daily usage patterns to gain an understanding of how and where it can add value, ultimately upgrading its features to make your life even better. With LG's brand new concept, you can experience the LG Wash Tower's time-saving premium preheating function on your existing LG washing machine or dryer. It can also let you select your favorite alarm for your washer, dryer, even styler when the cycle is complete. If you have any pet friends in your family, you can also download the pet mode for the washer to keep your clothes smelling fresh and fur-free. If you're a regular late-night snacker but can't stand your refrigerator's bright light, simply adjust your fridge's lighting for nighttime with the LG ThinQ app. LG's Aero Tower can also be upgraded with various airflow modes to ensure your comfort. In 2022, LG will offer these innovative features, starting with our washing machines and expanding to our refrigerators and Aero Tower. We'll provide frequent updates with innovative features that will help you upgrade your LG appliances tailored to your lifestyle and needs. We'll make life better for you.
Music to my ears. You can personalize your alert sounds as well. All of this is customizable in your app. Speaking of personalization, LG ThinQ is relaunching and ever-evolving, designed to understand you better, to ensure maximized efficiency and productivity for your home. In addition to the Upgrade Center, to deliver new features for your home appliances, LG ThinQ provides an improved in-app experience so that your out-of-app experience is smoother and more convenient. With functions like smart tips trending on TV, My Page, Find Your Filter, and routines, you get more free time to focus on the more important things in life.
It's really about the experiences that make our lives more full and meaningful. And at LG, we continue to offer innovations that make that happen.